Hi, I'm Robin, and this is Roaming with Rover. Today we're going to do an unboxing. We got a new toy, the Hero GoPro 7 Black. We're really excited about this. We have been struggling with transferring files. I've been using my cell phone for videoing, and it works really good. It takes great pictures. The problem is getting them transferred from the phone to the computer so we can do all of the editing and uploading has been very, very difficult. And after quite a lot of research and recommendations from people, we decided to go with the GoPro 7. We have heard that it has some amazing features, one of which is the automatic stabilization built in, which is probably the main reason we went with this. I know it's got lots of other features, and frankly, I don't know about most of them, so we're going to learn along with you. Thank you so much for joining us today. As you can see, this is all in the original packaging. We're going to get this open and take a look and see what is inside of it. We purchased ours at Costco. I have been watching them for quite a while for pricing, and the other day I was at Best Buy. See, Hero 7. I was at Best Buy getting some other things. We had to get a new printer, and I drugged Dennis over to look at these, and they were on sale. And it was a really good price. I was really excited about it. They were on sale for just about $350, which is quite a bit less than what I have seen on a regular basis for these things. And I was just about ready to pull the trigger on it, and I remembered I had seen them at Costco. And so we decided to pop over there and see what they had for pricing. Well, when I got over there and I started looking at it, we found out that it was less money. So we paid about $310, and it came with a lot more stuff in the package than what the basic one at Best Buy came with. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, several little manuals and doohickeys like that. Stuff that we'll read through and get figured out in a bit. Here's the camera. So it looks like this in the box. That's what it looks like in the box. They're so small. I've never actually seen one before, just pictures of people using them on YouTube videos. So here's the actual camera. It's just tiny. Isn't that little? So a couple of inches maybe by a couple of inches, 2 by 3 maybe. It's so little. Afraid to set it down anywhere. So in this box, it came with the actual camera, of course. It comes with a handle so that you can hold on to the thing. Apparently this mounts onto this somehow. We'll get that figured out. I don't know if this is the floating handle or not. We'll have to find out. That's one of the things you really want to get if you're going to be using this in water. You want to get a floating handle. Otherwise, if you let go, it's going to be gone. This one will attach to your wrist, so it may well be. I'll let you know in a minute. What else is in here? Nothing. Yay. Okay, so that's the empty box. So let's see what it says on here. It is a floating grip. The Handler floating hand grip. So we have a floating handle. Yes. All right, and then it comes with this box full of gadgets. Let's see what we have in here. All right, so take everything out. We have all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. Okay. So it comes with a head strap, it says. I'm reading from the box to see what all these bits and pieces are. So the head strap, which, yep, looks like a head strap. So I guess you put that on somehow, head strap, and attach the camera to it for all those action shots. And it has a case. I call this the frame. Not exactly sure how any of this works. Apparently this maybe goes together like this somehow. What else do we have here? We have a couple little buckle looking things. This is a flat adhesive mount, flat mount. It's got the little thing you pull off the back for a sticky. And it has a curved adhesive mount, same kind of thing. It's a little bit curved though. And it has the sticky stuff on the back. And then we've got whatever this little thingy is. It says it's a mounting buckle. So I guess we'll get figured out what that is. Has a cord, of course, USB-C cable. This is going to hook, I'm assuming, the GoPro into the chargers and things like that. The GoPro has a rechargeable battery, and that's another one of the features that I really liked about it. You can buy multiple batteries, have them all charged up and ready to go, and then switch them out while you are in the middle of filming or doing activities. Some of the other cameras that we looked at did not have that feature, and as it ran down, and of course when you're filming video, they run down pretty quick. I'm hearing as fast as half an hour, 40 minutes. Then you would have to stop and recharge those batteries, and that was something I really didn't like. So here's its little battery, tiny little battery. I'm not gonna open that. I don't want to get the electrodes messed up. Little tiny battery, and a thumb screw, and oh, another mount of some kind. And this is also one of the features that I liked about this one, is it came with an SD card. This is the micro SD, and this is a 32 gig micro SD with the adapter. So you can fill that up and then pop it into the adapter and pop that into your computer. The other ones that I looked at did not come with these, so that was an additional expense. Now there's a bazillion different accessories that you can buy to go with the GoPro, and some of them I'm going to want to get. They have some really cool Gorilla tripods that you can attach to it, and I'm definitely going to need to get one of those. Best Buy has a nice accessory kit with, it has that chest accessory, and has the Gorilla. It has another one of these, but I guess it's a little bit different. So we're thinking about picking that up, but we're not sure yet. We'll see how far this stuff gets us. Now the other thing that I also picked up was some additional SD cards. As you can see, these are it came with two 128 gigabyte micro SD cards with the adapter, and this was $44. Again, I felt like this was a very good value, so we went ahead and grabbed that from Costco at the same time as we got the camera. I know absolutely nothing about this camera. Absolutely nothing, except that it's cute and it's little, and people seem to just love it. So I can't wait to get it turned on and look at some of the features. I do know one of the features that it has, other than the automatic built-in stabilization, which is a big deal for me, is that I can use it for a video camera and I can see myself while I'm videoing. That is a feature that the camera that I have right now does not have. Now, one of the negatives, and this is only from reading people's reviews, again, no first-hand experience, one of the negatives is that maybe it doesn't take great still pictures. So it's possible I'll still be using my cell phone for still pictures, which takes great pictures, so that's not a problem. And of course, you always have it with you. But I also have a little point-and-shoot camera that takes amazing still pictures and has a really good zoom, which is often something that you need. So we'll see how all that works. I'm not techie. It takes me a while to figure all this stuff out, so I will likely get the very basic things figured out right away, and down the line get more and more of its features figured out. So please drop me a comment and tell me if you have one of these, how it works, how different things work, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I know there's some negatives. As with everything, there's pros and cons, but I'd really like to hear from you guys. Also, if you have any questions, if you're thinking about getting one of these in the future, if you have any questions about it, drop that in the comments as well, and I'll do the best I can to come up with an answer for you. So there you have it, the Hero 7 Black unboxing. Pretty exciting. We're very excited to get to know how to use this. And I'm excited to be able to see how great the videos are that come from it. Thanks so much for joining us today. Please subscribe and like and comment. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.